How to use Spotify's AI DJ feature. To use Spotify's AI DJ feature, you'll first need to have a Spotify Premium account and be in a supported country. Once that's set, open the Spotify app on your mobile device and head to the Music tab on the home screen. From there, look for the DJ banner or tile. It's usually located under Made for You or sometimes in the Recently Played section if you've used it before. Tap on the DJ tile to get started, and Spotify's AI DJ will begin playing a personalized mix of songs based on your listening history. What makes this feature unique is that it also includes spoken commentary in between tracks, often highlighting why a song was chosen or offering context about your listening habits. It's a hands-free, smart way to enjoy music that feels curated just for you. And that's all for this video. Hope this helps. Thank you.